Here I've got V-Mobile S39 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select Display, which is under Device, and then go to the wallpaper. Here you can pick the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be either gallery, one from the live wallpapers, or just wallpapers, so I will pick the third option, which is wallpapers, and now we can pick one from the pictures presented here, so as you can see they are truly outstanding. And you can also pick some live wallpaper, but I would rather have this one as my home screen, and then click on Set Wallpaper. And that's it. As you can see, from now on your brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen. So that's basically all. This is how you can change wallpaper on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.